pa'a no turu, ata pa'a commentex, abats, shil pa'a paut.
As one, I was here before the first. As another, I was here after the second. As the last, I was here after the third.
Know that I am the one you seek. I am the one born to rule, destined to conquer. Those who fear me follow me. I am Ray.
Don't be afraid of the dark. It is the source of all things. It is the source of all life. It is the source of light. It is the source of everything unseen and seen. It is the source of the unmanifest. It is the source of the manifest. It is the source of all things material. It is the source of all physical things, spiritual things, and material things. It is the source of even all gods and all deities. It is the source of the supreme hidden deity. It is the source encompassing all. It is the source of infinite energy. It is the source of infinite light. It is the source of infinite power. It is the source of all things, the word behind the dark, the word behind the throne.